Updates coming in as the outrage continues over Mamata Banerjee's statement. Now, the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has questioned the ecosystem's silence on Mamata Banerjee's comments. He has taken to social media and he says, imagine if this statement was made by a BJP chief minister. The entire ecosystem and self-declared liberals would have created unbearable situation in the country. And he raises a very pertinent point, going on to mention the statement that Mamata Banerjee made, where she said that the girl should have been careful when she stepped out, that women should think before stepping out late in the night. And Kiran Rijiju now questioning not just Mamata Banerjee, but the entire ecosystem, questioning their silence on the issue, saying Mamata Banerjee seems to be putting the onus on the victim, raising questions on the college on why the girl was allowed outside, and yet she has not said a word about ensuring safety of women in the state, on ensuring strict action against the perpetrators. And talking about this statement, he went on to question not just Mamata Banerjee, but the entire ecosystem. Listen into what Mamata Banerjee had said.
She was studying in a private medical college. So all the private medical college, whose responsibility? How they came out in the night at 12:30. And it happens in the, so far I know, forest area. And 12:30, I do not know what happened. Investigation is on. I'm shocked to see the incident. But private medical colleges also used to take care for their students. And especially the girl child, at night time, they should not be allowed to come out in the outside.
আমি প্রথমেই আপনাদের বলি, দমদম মেয়ারপুরে আমি কিছু বলেছি, আমার কথা ডিস্টর্ব করা হয়েছে। প্লিজ আপনাদের একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করব, আমাকে আপনারা কোশ্চেন করবেন আর তারপরে ডিস্টর্ব করবেন। আমি ভাত খাই সেটা না বলে আমি ভাত বলে দিচ্ছেন। এইসব রাজনীতি আমার সাথে করার চেষ্টা করবেন না, কারণ আমি আপনাদের সাথে মিট করি, অনেকে মিটই করেন না, কোশ্চেন তৈরি করে দিয়ে উত্তর দেয়।